Hey guys, my name is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard an inventory Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard boat. This is a 2025 model. This is a refreshed model from Sea Ray. So the 21 SPX has seen some design upgrades and refreshed for this year, like the curved windshield you can see above the beautiful helm. And this whole seating arrangement has been altered as well, just enhance the environment, which Sea Ray is so good at doing. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough on the Sea Ray 21, which is available at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. So the Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard boat has a max horsepower 200 Mercury engine. We have the white painted Mercury 200 horsepower engine. This boat is an absolute rocket ship. It's a ton of fun with that. Mercury 4-stroke is super quiet, super fuel efficient, and an awesome amount of power on this boat where you and your family can do water sports and get from A to B really quickly. Some really nice bow seating up front with bolsters across on the back. So whether you're facing forward or facing aft, you have a backrest. There's filler cushions that go into that as well. You can see at the helm, we have the Simrad all-in-one chart. So this is going to be your navigation chart. It's also sonar for depth. And also you notice there's no gauges, no more of the old analog needle gauges. It's all digital. It's a very beautiful, very user-friendly Simrad unit on this boat. You have Fusion stereo, which is Bluetooth, and some USB ports to plug in your phone. So you could just see, picture your family. You've got plenty of seating here. Sea Ray is such a social layout with their boats. Everyone can be facing each other. You have this flipping backrest, these cushions that come in and out. You also have a tremendous amount of storage on this boat. So with the outboard configuration, you've taken the engine out of the picture inside. So, I mean, just a massive storage compartment here and easy access to your batteries and bilge as well. So very well laid out from Sea Ray on this boat. And this has got some nice gas assist struts on here, so it doesn't slam down on your toes. But lots of index storage in the middle of the boat, in the back of the boat. Lots of places to stick your beach bags for better enjoyment. This is a Horizon gray with stone interior with a bimini top Sea Ray 21 SPX boat. Come check out the new design. It's here at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Look us up on the internet, make an appointment. We'd love to see you guys. Thank you.